Today is a very wonderful day. I'm in a nice place where, trust me, this is the biggest store I've seen in this way, where you can get furnitures, where you can get electronics. It's called Ogidi Firm Limited. They sell all kinds of furnitures. They sell, like, I cannot even name it. They sell electronics, they sell interiors, window blinds, wallpaper, curtains, whatever you want, you can get it here. For your home, you can get it here. And so I'll be taking you guys around this place. Trust me, you need to stay with me while I take you around, because you will see nice things that you like. So they have lots of them. Even if you want it in thousands, I think they can supply to you wherever in the country and at affordable price. So do well to stay with me while I take you around this place. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, you're missing out. Click the subscribe button and like this video. Now stay with me while we go. Come on, let's go. Okay, I'm inside, and guys, I see a lot of nice things. Check out this dining set. Look how nice it is. It's a six-seater. Look at the color, brown, nice. Up there we have some TV stands. There are many TV stands. There are many things here. Many things. And honestly, you need to know this place if you have not known this place. This is a place in the world. Look at that seat. Nice. These are high top seats for your offices. All these are TV stands. These ones you see here. Then some of these ones here are like center tables. You know, yeah, many. Sorry. These are TV stands. Many of them, different designs, different colors, different shapes. You can see them all along there. Then we have this nice cushion. Look at this. This place is so big. I am not exaggerating. This place is so big. I'll take you, if you stay with me, you will see how big this place is. You will see how nice it is. This place is so big. Look at that. Do you like this? What of this? Look at that. Many colors. Look at this nice office chair. It's long. It looks long. Okay. Look at this one. These are nice center tables. Here we go. Just stay with me while I take you. Stay with me. There's still many of them. Okay. You can see. Okay. All of this you're seeing, these are still TV stands, different TV stands. These are different TV stands. Here, these are office chairs. This place has anything, office chairs and tables. See them. It has any and everything you would want. Any and everything you want. This is the biggest, as far as I'm concerned. This is the biggest I've seen so far, where you can get furnitures. They have all kinds of designs in sets, in bulk. These are safes, locker safes. These are some of the locker safes. Look at them. Look at it. You have it there. They sell both wallpapers. This place, they sell window blinds. Okay, let's go. Let's keep going. Oh wow. Come on now. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. This looks very nice. Woo! This is so nice. Look at this flower. Look at that light. All these are sold here. Look at this rug. Now look carefully at the wallpapers. I think I should go over to this other side. Let me go over to this other side. this is the electronic section. They have ACs, they have fridge, they have gas cooker, they have sizes of television, LED television. You know, you can see them. They have fan. They have all your gadgets. You have home theater, different mix. You can see different mix. They have LED, Polystar, Maxi, Samsung, you know, Hisense. They have all the mix. Look at this cushion. Look at this chair. Look at this chair. I think I need to know the prices so that you guys can just have a clue of what you're seeing. But I just want you to watch carefully. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want you to know that there's a place in Owerri where you can buy nice stuff like this. These are all televisions. I think this is LG. This is LG. This should be 53 inch, I guess. Yeah, 53 inch. Look at that. Very nice. They have blenders too. All types. Look at those window blinds. Different types, different designs. Now look at this cushion. This chair looks. How much is this chair? Okay, you're not sure of the price. No. I think I would need to have an idea of the prices because I need you guys to see. Look at the table. They have the side table. They have the big table. I need you guys to know that there's a place where you can get nice things. Then we have made bigger air condition. These are the bigger ones for your office. Look at it. This place is super nice. Look at it. These are all gadgets. These are all gadgets. This place is so big. So big. They have many nice things. All of your interior decors, you can get them here. All of your gadgets, you can get them here. All of your furnitures, you can get them here. You can get them here. Okay. You can see them. Now let's head up. Let's head up. There's still more. I'm still taking you guys. Look at this table. Look how nice this table is. I think it comes with this mirror. Wow. All these are for your interiors. You have the flower, you have this other flower. Look at that mirror there. Can I have a clue? Come, sorry. Let me just have a clue of the prices of this thing so that. Okay. I like this rug too. How much is this mirror? 70k. Yes. Okay, like it just the mirror. Just one mirror. Yes. Are you serious? Wow, 70k. It looks very nice. They are the same prices now, have you? So how much is this set now? I like this set. This set. This combination of this and this. Okay, 400k. It looks nice. It looks nice. What amazes me is how big this place is. This place is so big. It's so big. Oh wow. Here we go. Here we go. We have many designs of both clothes, both furnitures, both interiors, both your tables, your chairs. Look at this. Your lights, your pictures. So I would like to see that. Let me see. Let me check. There's a furniture in front. I'd like to see. Look at this. Can you see this cushion? Look how nice it is. I would like to get a view of this, just so you guys will see what I'm seeing. Look at this. Look at this. Looks very nice. This is official. Is it? Is it official seats? Classic. Wow. You can see them. Look at that brown color. Wow. This looks very nice. This is the biggest store for your furnitures, for your electronics. There are so many different designs of everything you want. Everything, like everything. They even have bed. They have bed. I think here is small, so some of the beds are not even sampled, but they have mini type. This one is a bed set. This one you can see here. This is a bed set. This is a bed set. This too is a bed. Look at these chairs. Look at this set. How much is this? 350. Like the three of them now. It came like this. 350. Look at it. Very sweet and nice. So you have interior decors too. Okay, these are sets. Table and chair sets. Wow, here is big. I'm not even done with the place. Honestly, here is so big. Here is so big. Can you watch? Can you see what I'm showing you? Here is so nice, and they have very luxurious things and at affordable price. Please come. I'm seeing some nice things. I would like to know. These flowers now, how are they, like, how are they sold? One of it is how much? This now is how much?
This one, 45,000.
45k for this, like this. Yeah. You see how nice this is? Okay, what of this other one?
55.
This one is 55. Okay, this is the bigger size. But what of this? 70k. This one is outdoor now. Wow. Okay. Wow, look at that furniture. Look at this. Look at this. This came alone.
This one.
It has a set. It has a set. Wow. So this is a single seater. How much is the set?
Set is 2 million.
2M. Okay, for the set. That's Turkey now. Is this Turkey? Okay. I think it should be Turkey. Okay, this. Look at this too. Look at this too. Wow. Okay. This has to be the biggest store in Owerri where they sell furniture. How much is this now? 2.5 million. 3.5. 3? Wow. It's a set. How, just like this? Okay, you rent 3 on. So it's a set of 4. 2 singles, 1 double, and 1 3-in-1. You see all the flowers. These are different flowers and different designs. Wow. So this is 3.5 million. You can see that. Oh my god. Wow. I said here is big, guys. Here is big. This place is big. Very big. All your designs. Look at this furniture. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? Wow. I cannot get enough of this place. Look at this. Look how beautiful this place is. There's so many nice things here. So I guess, wow. Okay, I see how some of this ones here. Look at the lights there. So guys, I'll be signing out now because I cannot get enough of this place. And trust me, this is where this place is so big, guys. Guys, there are a lot of things here. So the numbers will be down below because definitely I'm sure you've seen a lot of things and you might be interested in getting. Remember, they sell wallpapers too. Look at this. This is a particular design. Look at all these are wallpapers. They have wallpapers. They have wallpapers. So these are different wallpapers. So I'll be dropping the numbers for you down below. The address will be there. This is Owerri, Ikenebu. What's the location, my bro? 1 Torture Street. Okay, the address will be down below. This is in Owerri, Ikenebu. And so if you're not in Owerri, if you're not in Imo State and you want to make an order, they sell exclusive seats. Look at this. They sell exclusive things, very unique and special. And so if you want to get anything from this particular store, you can do well to call them and they'll be at your doorstep. So that will be all for now. Don't forget to like this video and comment. Just drop your comments if there's anything you want me to cover, if there's any suggestion for the channel, whatsoever it is you want, do well to drop it down below. Make your reactions to this video. That'll be all for now. We out.